Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to speak about one of the most important periods in the history of English literature, that is, the Restoration period. The Restoration period began in 1660 when Charles II returned to England and the monarchy was restored after the period of Puritan rule. It generally continued until 1700. The word restoration refers to the restoration of the English monarchy. This period is important because it brought a major change in English political life, society, culture, and literature. Historical background. To understand the Restoration period, we first understand what happened before it. After the death of Charles I in 1649, England became a Commonwealth. The monarchy was abolished and Oliver Cromwell became the most powerful political figure. The Puritans strongly influenced English society. The theatres were closed and many forms of entertainment were discouraged. However, after Cromwell's death in 1658, the political situation became unstable. Finally, in 1660, Charles II returned from exile and became the King of England. This event is known as the Restoration of the Monarchy. Charles II had spent many years in France and he brought with him many French cultural influences. English society became more relaxed and pleasure-loving after the strict Puritan period. General spirit of the age. The spirit of the Restoration age was very different from that of the Puritan age. The Puritan period emphasized religion, morality, discipline, and serious living. The Restoration period, on the other hand, emphasized pleasure, fashion, wit, social life, and entertainment. People became interested in theatres, parties, fashionable clothes, social gatherings, and intellectual discussion. The literature of the period reflects this change. Writers often discussed love, marriage, social manners, politics, and human weaknesses. The literature of the Restoration is therefore often called as realistic, satirical, witty, intellectual, and worldly. Now I am going to speak about Restoration drama. The greatest achievement of the Restoration was revival of English drama. As you know that Restoration was the restoration of two things, the restoration of the monarchy as well as the restoration of the drama. During Puritan rule, theatres had been closed. After Charles II came to the throne, theatres were reopened. The king himself supported drama and encouraged theatrical performances. Two important theatre companies were established and professional actors became increasingly important. A significant development was the appearance of women actresses. On the English stage. Before the Restoration, female characters were generally played by male actors. After the Restoration, women began performing women's roles. The Restoration comedy. The most famous form of Restoration drama was Restoration comedy, particularly the comedy of manners. A comedy of manners presents the fashionable society of the time. It makes fun of people's manners, relationships, fashionable behavior, marriage, love affairs, and social hypocrisy. The language of Restoration comedy is usually witty, clever, and full of sharp conversation. Important Restoration dramatists include William Congreve, William Wycherley, George Thurs, and George Farquhar. Congreve is one of the most important writers of the Restoration comedy. His famous play, The Way of the World, presents the manners and relationships of the fashionable society. William Wycherley's The Country Wife is another important Restoration comedy. It is known for its satire and treatment of marriage and social behavior. Restoration comedy is often criticized for being immoral or too sexually explicit. However, it is also important for its realistic portrayal of contemporary society and its brilliant use of dialogue. Restoration tragedy. Tragedy also developed during this period, but it was different from Elizabethan tragedy. Restoration tragedy was strongly influenced by French drama and often followed the idea of heroic tragedy. Heroic tragedies usually contained brave heroes, great conflicts, love, honor, and dramatic situations. One of the most important writers of heroic drama was John Dryden. His famous works include The Conquest of Granada and All for Love. All for Love is based on the story of Antony and Cleopatra. Unlike Shakespeare's Antony and Cleopatra, Dryden's plays follows the classical rules more closely. John Dryden. John Dryden was the most important literary figure of the Restoration age. He was a poet, dramatist, translator, and critic. He became the leading literary voice of his generation and is often regarded as the representative writer of the Restoration age. His important works include Absalom and Achitophel, The Medal, All for Love, and an essay of dramatic poesy. Dryden's An Essay of Dramatic Poesy is especially important in the history of English literary criticism. In this work, Dryden discusses drama and compares ancient French and English drama. He also discusses Shakespeare, Ben Jonson, and other dramatists. Dryden's prose and criticism helped establish a clear, balanced, and logical style in English literary writing. Restoration poetry. Poetry during the Restoration became more satirical, intellectual, and political. Poets often wrote about political events and social problems. Instead of focusing mainly on imagination and emotion, they often used reason, wit, and argument. Dryden was the leading poet of the period. His poem, Absalom and Achitophel, is a famous political satire. It uses characters from the Bible to represent contemporary political figures. Restoration poetry, therefore, shows the increasing importance of satire in English literature. Restoration prose. Prose also developed considerably during this period. There was an increasing interest in science, philosophy, politics, religion, history, and journalism. The foundation of the Royal Society in 1660 encouraged scientific thinking and observation. The scientific spirit influenced English prose. The language of prose became clearer, simpler, and more direct. John Locke was an important philosophical writer. His essay, An Essay Concerning Human Understanding, influenced later intellectual thought. Religious prose also continued to develop. Writers such as John Bunyan produced important works. Bunyan's The Pilgrim's Progress, published in 1678, is one of the most famous allegorical works in English literature. Although Bunyan was influenced by Puritan religious ideas, his work became popular far beyond his own religious community. The characteristics of Restoration literature. The literature of the Restoration has several important characteristics. Number one, realism. Writers showed an interest in real society and real human behavior. They often presented people as they actually behaved rather than as ideal characters. Number two, wit and satire. Wit became extremely important. Writers used clever language and satire to criticize political and social problems. Number three, influence of France. Because Charles II had lived in France, French culture strongly influenced English literature, especially drama. Number four, interest in society. Restoration writers were interested in fashionable society, manners, marriage, love, politics, and social relationships. Number five, secular spirit. Literature became less dominated by religious themes. Worldly life, pleasure, fashion, and social behavior received greater attention. Number six, heroic drama. Heroic plays became popular, particularly during the early Restoration period. They usually presented brave heroes and conflicts involving love and honor. Number seven, development of criticism. Literary criticism developed strongly during this period, especially through the works of John Triton. Women and the Restoration stage. One important social development of the Restoration was the appearance of women on the professional English stage. However, Restoration drama also reflected the male-dominated society of the time, and many plays presented women mainly through the subjects of marriage, love, sexuality, and social status. The importance of the Restoration period. The Restoration period is important because it marked a major transition in English literature. It brought English theatre back to life after the Puritan closure of theatres. It encouraged the development of comedy, satire, criticism, and modern prose. It also prepared the way for the literature of the 18th century, especially the Augustan age. The emphasis on reason, order, satire, social criticism, and polished language contributed into the 18th century. Now, I come to the conclusion. To conclude, the Restoration period began with the return of Charles II in 1660 and brought a new spirit to English society and literature. It was a period of wit, reason, realism, satire, pleasure, fashion, and social criticism. Drama became extremely popular, especially the comedy of manners. Poetry became more political and satirical, while prose became clearer and more practical. Above all, John Dryden dominated the literary scene of the period and made important contributions to poetry, drama, and criticism. Thus, the Restoration period occupies an important place between the serious and religious literature of the Puritan age and the rational and classical literature of the 18th century Augustan age. If we want to understand the development of modern English literature, we cannot ignore the Restoration period. It revived the English theatre, strengthened literary criticism, encouraged satire, and created a new literary culture that influenced writers for generations to come. Thank you.